Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews and analysis of the latest products on the market. Today, we're diving into the world of optics with a focus on one of the best binoculars for mountain viewing available. The Vortex Optics Diamondback HD Binoculars 10x42. These binoculars are more than just a piece of equipment. They're a gateway to experiencing the beauty of nature up close and personal. Let's delve into what makes these binoculars stand out from the rest. The Diamondback HD binoculars boast 10x magnification paired with 42mm objective lenses, providing exceptional clarity and resolution. Whether you're birdwatching, hiking, or simply admiring the scenic vistas, these binoculars deliver crisp, clear images with outstanding color fidelity. What sets these binoculars apart is their advanced optical technology. With fully multi-coated lenses and dielectric coatings, they ensure maximum light transmission and minimal distortion, even in low light conditions. Comfort is key when spending hours observing the landscape, and the Diamondback HD doesn't disappoint. Adjustable eye cups and a center focus wheel make it easy to achieve the perfect viewing experience, whether you wear glasses or not. But these binoculars aren't just about optics, they're built to last. With a rugged rubber armor exterior and argon purging, they're both waterproof and fog-proof, ensuring reliability in any environment. And let's not forget about the accessories. The included glass pocket binocular harness keeps your binoculars secure and easily accessible, while the tethered objective lens covers and rain guard eyepiece cover provide added protection. Don't just take our word for it. Customers rave about the Diamondback HD binoculars. From their exceptional clarity to their durability, these binoculars have earned the trust of outdoor enthusiasts worldwide. So, if you're in the market for the ultimate binoculars for mountain viewing, look no further than the Vortex Optics Diamondback HD Binoculars 10x42. With their unparalleled optics, rugged construction, and ergonomic design, they're sure to elevate your outdoor adventures to new heights. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews of the latest and greatest products. Until next time, happy exploring!